Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through on how to earn money in Nigeria by typing captchas. So if you are new to my channel, do well to leave a like and a subscription in this video. I post latest legit money making updates in Nigeria. So before we get started, the name of this website is 2Captcha, and as you can see over here, I've been earning on it and I have $0.13 on it already. So this website pays you for each captcha you type on it. So to get started, you click on start work, then it's loading, then it has an Android software, but we're going to be working on the browser. So click on the browser. I'm using an iOS, so I cannot access the Android software. So click on remind me later. Then click on the green button over here to start work. We click on the green button here to start work, but before that, we're going to read the info. We are told that answer quality is measured by answers for special captchas that can be definitely solved. As you can see, my accuracy is 81% and my solved captchas is 91%. Don't skip captchas if it can be solved. And don't close the application if you receive the captcha. Skip only unsolvable captchas. Avoid mistakes in your answers. Mistakes affect the accuracy measurements. If any measurement falls below 95%, your account can be checked by a moderator and blocked. This means that if by mistake your accuracy falls below 95%, that your account has high risks of being blocked. So after having known this, we are going to start the work. So click on start work. We're going to click on start work now. We click on start work now. Then it's looking for captchas. Then as you can see over here, this is a captcha. We have 30 seconds to write it down. AYAGLH and S. Then we'll click on the green bar. Then as you can see, it has paid us per captcha. As you can see over here, we have been paid. So it's automatic. There's nothing like pending payment. The payment is made immediately. So now it's scanning for another captcha, and this is a captcha now. 9AGC4. Click on the green bar. So now I'm going to take you through the Telegram bot. So we're going to stop work for now. So I'm going to take you through the Telegram bot. So click on the dashboard, scroll down. We're going to scroll down. I'm going to take you through the Telegram bot. The Telegram bot allows you to access this website on Telegram instead of signing up every single time. So we're going to scroll down. These are other softwares by this website. So but we're going to be using the Telegram software. As you can see over here, you can solve the captcha using our Telegram bot. So we have clicked on it and it's going to open now. So it's loading. So as you can see over here, I've been using this Telegram bot for a while, but I'm going to log out. I will show you in steps on how you can sign up using Telegram bot. So you click on start. Move over to the website. You move over to the website to copy your client ID. So move over to the website. Scroll up, then copy your client's key. You copy your client's key over here. This is your client's key. This enables you to sign up on the Telegram bot. This is your special identification number on the Telegram bot. So we go back. I'm going to paste it now. We paste it over here. Then and automatically we are signed up. Now you can do anything you can do over there on the website, you can automatically do it over here. So as you can see now, I can start work and can be getting my captchas. See, this Telegram bot is easy and flexible. Everything here is fast. It's very fast, faster than the web. So and now I'm waiting for captcha. So it's taking a while. So now this is a captcha. So we're going to type this is case sensitive. You have to be cautious while typing. when there is need for small letters and when there is need for capital letters. So Y R1 W 9 V and P. This is case sensitive. Once you make a mistake, your accuracy decreases. So coming over to the website, I'm going to show you the payout methods. Different payment gateway on this platform. So there are different payment gateways. So here you see the web money. You see the web money with minimum withdrawal of $0.50, the perfect money with a minimum withdrawal of $0.50, the payer app with a minimum withdrawal of $0.50, the ATM app with the minimum withdrawal of $1, then the Bitcoin Cash with a minimum withdrawal of $0.25. Then you see the USD TRC20 with a minimum withdrawal of $30. As you can see over here, with a minimum withdrawal of $30. So these are various payment gateways whereby you can withdraw your money, each having its own minimum withdrawal and fee. So if you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like and a subscription in this video. Thanks for watching.